Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today, Tesla is doing a fantastic movement, and as we expected yesterday, Tesla retested the 50% Fibonacci retracement with astonishing precision today. We gapped it down at this price level. We dropped it a little bit, but in the end, Tesla couldn't close under the 50% retracement, and we are going up nicely from here. As I told you guys yesterday, most of the time, when Tesla ignores the 38.2% retracement, usually it hits the 50% retracement and it does find a support at this area. So this is exactly what happened here on Tesla again. You may check my previous video if you were curious, but this is a very technical movement. Tesla obeys technical analysis with astonishing precision. I find Tesla a very easy stock to read. There are stocks that are harder, that I have a rough time reading, but Tesla is a very easy stock to read, to understand, and it behaves amazingly well. Right now in the 1 hour chart, we see that it found a support level over here. Now we are bouncing back up. This movement is quite strong because we did break the 21 exponential moving average again, and it seems we found a top level around the $850 area, and there's a very particular reason for that. The maximum pain is around 850, so it's not gonna be an easy area to break, but Tesla is trying to, okay? It is trying to. It is going up almost 5% right now, so in either way, that's an impressive movement. Right now, since Tesla, it seems it found a resistance, it would be great to see Tesla doing a very quick correction in order to trigger a bullish pivot point, a bullish structure. It would be great to see Tesla doing this, okay? Doing this. That would be the ideal scenario, all right? I don't know if this is going to happen, if it's going to find a bottom over here and then break the previous resistance level. I don't know if this is going to happen. Either way, Tesla is doing good, and as you guys already know, my target is $920. It is this open gap over here. Remember, Tesla always fills the gaps that appear above the price level. So right now, this is my target. I'm not gonna change my target because there is no technical and no fundamental reasons for me to believe Tesla won't retest that point. Now, in the 1 hour chart, we are looking good. In the daily chart, we are also looking good. In fact, I think we are looking great. This chart is great. It is not as great as your like, as your subscription. If you are new around here, remember to support this channel. Subscribe because I do daily analysis in Tesla in this channel. Every single day I will update you guys. And well, I do believe this video is going to be helpful to you. So subscribe, consider subscribing. In the daily chart, we see the retracements over here. We see the maximum pain level at $850. Okay, but let's clean this chart for a little while. Right now, Tesla, what is this pattern over here? Yesterday, we dropped 4%. Now we're going up almost 5%. What is this pattern? These two candlestick patterns are telling us this is a classic piercing line candlestick pattern. Classic piercing line. You may Google it. Piercing line candlestick pattern occurs when we see a very bearish candlestick and then in the next day we open at a gap. However, we see a very strong reaction and we do close above at least halfway of the candlestick's body. It is penetrated by the bullish candlestick. So this is why it is called piercing line candlestick pattern. Usually, statistically speaking, it is a reversal candlestick pattern. I don't know how strong this reversal will be. We're going to talk about that later. But usually it works. See, we had a similar pattern over here. We saw a piercing line candlestick pattern on February 23, February 24. We saw another piercing line over here on January 7, January 10. This was a Friday, this was a Monday. So usually we see some reversal. Usually we see some bullish reaction after the piercing line being triggered. So what if this happens? I mean, what if we see a reaction right now? Unlike this situation and unlike this situation, right now, if Tesla reacts, we're gonna do this movement, right? I'm gonna draw it again to you guys. We're gonna see a bottom, a top, a bottom higher than the previous bottom over here. And if it triggers this piercing line, we have decent chances. We're gonna see real chances of retesting my own personal target at $920. If this happens, probably we're gonna trigger a bullish pivot point because we're gonna break the previous high. We're gonna do a higher high. In this situation, mid-term speaking, what is the target for Tesla? 11.15. Okay, this is why I'm telling you guys, Tesla looks bullish right now. I do not believe in this bearish reaction, especially with a volume below the average over here. The volume is not that good, so it is telling me that no one is actually selling Tesla because it makes zero sense. One of my subscribers asked yesterday, Nathan, what about a recession? Well, what about the war and a possible recession? Look, guys, I am used to deal with recessions, okay? Let me see. See, this flag was a gift of one of my clients, and I am Brazilian, okay? I'm from Brazil. I'm used to see recessions. I mean, I think every time in 5 years, as far as I remember, I see a recession going on, so I am quite used. I do have some experience, and in my humble experience, recessions, they are not going to affect the stock market for too long. Maybe you're going to see some bearish reaction, maybe we see some sell-off, but way before the recession ends, usually we see bullish reactions because the market is always trying to price the future. It is always running towards the future. When you use macroeconomic data to explain current movement, you are delayed. You are wrong. You started with the wrong foot over here. So in my humble experience as a trader here in Brazil, as a guy who's used to trade in a very hostile environment for stocks, I can assure to you that a recession is not going to cause too much problems with the stock market in my humble experience. Again, this is my humble experience. I'm just a guy, just a retail trader. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy, just like you, just like everybody else over here. Okay, so I don't believe we're going to see some problematic times for Tesla or many other stocks, even if we see a short-term recession in the US. And regarding the war, now more than ever, we see how important it is to become more independent energy-wise, how electric cars are booming, how electric cars are important for our economy. So this war is very good for Tesla. A recession, I do not believe a recession is going to cause too much problems for stocks. Of course, I'm not trying to make little of your problems, but we gotta pay attention to what the price action is telling us first. Alright, and again, I do believe this video helped you, right? So remember to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button. Tomorrow I will give you guys more updates in Tesla. Thank you very much, stay safe, farewell.